practice set 11, very easy practice set. Question number 1 says, what fraction do the points A and B show on the number line below? Okay, now before starting this, let me tell you one more time this thing, that when numerator and denominator has same number, it is eventually 1. When numerator and denominator has same number, it is 1. When numerator has 0 and denominator there is number, it is 0 always. Whenever there is a 0 in a numerator, it is equal to 0 only. Okay, now let's start. Whenever we are going to start with number line, always we have to start with 0. Okay, now here in denominator we have to see. Denominator says in how many part it is been divided. From 0 to 1, how many part it has been divided? So here it says 6. So count with me. 1. Can you see this point? Yeah. So in between parts are there. So see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. See, 6 parts are there. That's why we are writing in 6. How many part it is divided? 6. That's why we are writing here 6 in denominator. Now at A, what number will come at A? We have to write that. So I am drawing the box. Now 1. After 1 upon 6, what will come? 2 upon 6. Then 3 upon 6. 4 upon 6. And lastly A. What will come? I am writing with pen here, so it is clear. 5 upon 6 is our answer. Then 6 upon 6, which is eventually 1. So between 0 to 1, how many parts are there in this number line? 6 parts. That's why denominator has 6. And always when we are writing, we will start with 1 by 6, 2 by 6, 3 by 6, 4 by 6, 5 by 6, 6 by 6. Now after 6 by 6, what will come? 7 by 6. Then 8 by 6, then 9 by 6, and here at point B, after 9, what will come? 10 by 6. Let me draw the square. Your answer is 10 by 6. Then after 10 comes 11 by 6 and 12 by 6. Now 12 divided by 6 is nothing but 2. See, again from 1 and 2, 6 parts are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and all these parts should be equally measured. Whenever we are drawing number line, these parts should be of equal length, should be of equal measurement. If you are taking 1 centimeter gap, it should be 1 centimeter gap only. If you are taking 2 centimeter gap, it should be 2 centimeter. Okay, so gap should be equal throughout the number line. Fine, that's why see 0 to 1, 6 gaps. Again 1 to 2, 6 gaps. So gaps are also equal. And in between gaps are also equal. Understood? Now let us see second sum. Yeah, second sum. Denominator says 5. Means there are 5 parts. Let us count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, from 0 to 1 there are 5 parts. Now A is here. We have to write what will come at A and what will come at B. B is here. Okay. So after 0, 0 will be what? 0 by 5. Then after 0 comes 1 by 5. Then 2 by 5. So here which number will come? 3 by 5. So this is our first answer. Then this will become 4 by 5, this point. Then 5 by 5, same number gives 1. Then this is 6 by 5, and after 6 will come 7 upon 5. Now if we see, this is 8 by 5, then 9 by 5, then after 9 comes 10. So 10 divided by 5 gives us 2. Again from 1 to 2 there are 5 gaps. Again from 2 to 3 there are 5 gaps. Okay, so these two are the answers. Now third sum. In third sum, fraction is not given, only 0, 1, 2 is given. So first we will count the parts. Let me highlight the points so that it will be easier for us to count the parts. Okay, so from 0 to 1, how many parts are there? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 parts are there. Means it is in denominator what number we will write? 7. So it is understood in denominator we have to write 7. Let us confirm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so in denominator 7 will come. So let us start. After 0 it is 1 by 7, then 2 by 7. So here it will be 3 by 7. Then next 4 by 7, 5 by 7, 6 by 7, and this will be 7 by 7. Same number gives 1. Then 8, 9, and here it will be 10 by 7. So we got it A and B point. Now next, show the following fractions on number line. This number line was already drawn. We have to just we wrote just 2 fractions. Here we have to plot these fractions on number line. So be ready with your ruler and pencil. So let's draw the number line first. Now whatever gap you are taking, it should be throughout the number line. I am plotting here 0. So after 0, whatever measurement I am taking, it should be throughout the number line. I am taking 1.5 centimeter gap. So 1.5. So it will be throughout 1.5 centimeter gaps. You can take 2 centimeter, 1 centimeter. It depends upon you. It's your choice. Okay, now it says in denominator we can see 5. Means these numbers are divided into 5 parts. Between 0 to 1 there are 5 parts. So let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5 parts. So this is 1. Now after 1 again 5 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is number 2. Either we can count 5 parts or we can count the number. Now 0. So after 0 we will count 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 1. Then after this again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 2. This is easier one, correct? Plotting 0 and counting 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 2 and so on. Now let us start writing this. Now since denominator is 5, so I am writing here 0 by 5. Okay. Now 6 by 5. 3 by 5, 6 by 5 now. After 0 by 5, it will come 1 by 5. Then 2 by 5. 3 by 5. So we got our 3 by 5 here. Hence I am putting this in a box and writing here A because we have to plot it. So I am showing it as A properly. Now after 3 by 5 is 4 by 5. Then after 4 by 5 is 5 by 5. See, same number in numerator denominator gives 1. Now after 5 by 5 is 6 by 5, which is our next fraction. So again I am putting this in a box. B. Then now for this 2 3 by 5. Okay, so 2 3 by 5, there are two ways to solve this. First, let us convert this into improper one. 2 3 by 5. So 5 into 2 plus 3 upon 5, which is 13 upon 5. We have to plot 13 upon 5. Instead of 2 3 by 5, what we will plot? 13 upon 5. Let us check. 6, 7, 8 by 5, 9 by 5, 10 by 5, 11 by 5, 12 by 5. Now I have this 1.5 to plot. So this is, you can see, this is 13 by 5. Which we want. And this is point C. Now this was one method where we converted and we plotted. Another method is C. 2 3 by 5 means after 2 what number? 3. After 2 what number? 3. So after 2 count 3. 1 2 3 and see, we got it. After 2 we have to count 3. 1 2 and 3 and we will get the same point. So either 2 by 5 you can write or 2 3 by 5. It is one and the same. Second question. Second question, 3 by 4, 5 by 4, 2, 1 by 4. I am giving you all as homework. You have to do this as homework.